Hello guys! Welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you my experience as a client, how I redeem my Sun Life VL funds step by step. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. I'm Mami Fe, working in the cybersecurity field, running a side business, taking care of my family, and a fur mom to 2 adorable dogs. Dito sa channel namin, I share a mix about our personal lives, travels, good recommendations, and helpful tips. So kung trip nyo yan, don't forget to hit like and subscribe! So disclaimer guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular Sun Life client who's been with them since 2016. Let's get started. So first, what is Sun Life VUL? In short-term description, it is a life insurance with investment. So let's go to their webpage. Iba't iba yung mga insurances ng Sun Life guys, and mine is the Sun Life MaxiLink Prime. Under Protection plus Wealth Accumulation. First step na ginawa ko, nag-check ako sa frequently asked questions nila kung meron dong steps on how to redeem my funds. Just Control F and then search for redeem. And yes, there are 3 different channels on how to redeem your shares. So first is via email, second is via any CSC branch, and third is via the My Sun Life client portal and mobile app. So una kong trinay yung third option, which is yung mobile app. Kaya lang, gray out sa mobile app yung redeem button. So nag-inquire ako sa customer service nila, via email lang yung ginawa ko. Then nag-reply sila. So based sa response ng Sun Life customer service sa akin, I assume my account is not a mutual fund account, kaya hindi applicable yung redeem fund button. Also, nagbigay na din sila ng instruction how to withdraw my funds. Kailangan daw minimum of 5,000 pesos ang amount na i-withdraw, and maximum amount depends on your current fund value. So late ko na nabasa to guys, kasi July 26 ako nag-inquire, and July 30 sila nag-reply. So dumaan yung weekend. In between ng time na yon, naisipan ko na mag-reach out sa financial advisor ko. So ito yung sinabi sa email muna. So yung financial advisor ko, same sila ng sinabi, mas detailed lang, isa-isahin ko. So first, need ko mag-retain ng at least 20% ng current fund value ko para activated pa rin ang life insurance ko. Second, meron pang kailangan na acknowledgement daw kapag meron kang irrevocable beneficiary bago ka makapag-withdraw. So sa case ko kasi, revocable yung mga beneficiaries ko. So hindi ko na naging problema to. Third, kailangan kita yung account number kung saan i-deposit yung pera. So sa case ko, meron akong nag-iisang working ATM card na merong account number. Yung iba kasi, na ATM card, yung 16 digits number na yung nakikita sa ATM. So yung need ko is yung ATM card na merong account number. I believe pwede rin yung passbook, pero yung ATM na yung ginawa ko kasi. Fourth, yung financial advisor ko is nasa Mindoro. So yung advice niya sa akin is pumunta na lang ako sa branch ng Sun Life, which is yun yung second option on how to redeem the funds, right? Kasi daw guys, yung first option, which is email, medyo matagal daw yung response time. Tapos kung may kulang ka pa na requirements, pabalik-balik pa daw yan. And kailangan mo pa siyang ipanotaryo. Meron daw kasing branch ng Sun Life sa Cavite, so mas madali daw yun. And true enough, less hassle siya for me. So pumunta kami sa Sun Life office sa Imus Cavite ng hapon. Walang pila guys. So na-entertain nila agad ako, and dala ko lang last time yung mga requirements. ATM card ko na merong account number, 1 to 2 valid IDs, and dapat alam ko yung policy number ko. Then, syempre, Sun Life office yon, meron sila ng paper na inattach nila sa email for VUL withdrawal. So, hindi na ako nagpa-print nun. Binigyan nila ako nung pumunta ako sa office, and dun na ako nag-fill up. In-explain din naman sa akin ng Sun Life staff na kausap ko yung about sa revocable, tsaka yung sa partial withdrawal lang yung pwede kong gawin kung gusto kong ma-retain yung life insurance. So, sabi niya okay naman daw yung withdraw ko na amount kasi yung iniwan ko doon is mga 30% pa. So, hindi na rin ako hiningan ng notaryo kasi para lang yan sa mga walang Sun Life stock available kapag magwi-withdraw or wala yung Sun Life advisor mo. So, nung pumunta ako sa Sun Life office, wala pang 10 minutes, tapos na ako. So, hintayin ko na lang daw yung pera sa bank account ko, mga 7 to 10 working days yun. So, August 20 ako nagpunta sa Sun Life office and na-credit yung pera sa bank account ko ng August 30. So, take note guys, yung August 23 and 26, holiday pa yun. So, not bad na din, di ba? So, guys, may bonus episode nga pala ako. Kasi I remember, sinabi sa akin ng tropa ko na makakapag-withdraw lang daw kami sa fund value ng policy namin after 5 years of paying it. So, hindi ko sure kung tama yon, kaya naman before I relay that information to you guys, I asked Sun Life Customer Service. So, ganito ko lang sila tinatanong. So, go to their webpage, About Us, then find Contact Us. So, fill up ko lang tong form na to and then naghihintay lang ako ng response nila via email na nilagay ko dito sa inquiry. And according to them, there is no lock-in period for fund withdrawal request. So, I may request to withdraw my fund anytime daw. So, maybe this is different for every policy. I don't know, but my advice is better talk to your financial advisor or just do what I just did, contact their customer service. And dahil nga guys, nag-inquire pa ako sa kanila one last time about fund withdrawal, dun ko nalaman yung pinakabagong way on how to redeem the VUL fund value. So sabi nila dito sa email, we also informed that effective July 29, 2024, our Sun Life PH mobile app now supports VUL fund withdrawal request. So inattach nila dito sa email yung steps kung paano magagawa yun. And that's it guys, I hope these tips have made the process of redeeming your Sun Life VUL funds feel hassle-free. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your finances. See you in the next video!